Xbox that's coming in this fall's Xbox dashboard update. So what you see over here on the right is a look at the new Xbox user interface that will be on all Xboxes at the end of this year, this winter. And if we could just pan through, you kind of get a sense for the Metro look and feel starting to affect other screens in our Microsoft portfolio. You can see tiles there in the Xbox experience. There's the Bing search experience on the Xbox. But what I want to show, if you look over here on my phone, I'm going to jump into my Xbox Live Hub where you'll see an application called the Xbox Companion. The Xbox Companion will be available for Windows Phone this winter in conjunction with the update to the Xbox user experience. And when I launch it, what it's going to do is detect that I'm the same user signed into the Xbox and I'm on my home Wi-Fi, so I have a very natural way to interact with the Xbox experience there. So let's say I'm in my home office and my wife wants me to put a movie on for the kids. I can do that without getting out of my chair. Or if I happen to walk in and have the phone in my pocket, I don't have to go fetch the Xbox controllers to control what it's doing. You'll see here, I could scroll down here and quick play one of the games or experiences that I've been doing. I could pan over here, see what's featured, or I can get a Bing search. So what I'm going to do here is search for a recent movie, Fast 5. We'll type it in, hit enter. How many of you saw Fast 5 this summer? Only a few. I actually went. It was shockingly good. Really enjoyed it. So, and I mean that very genuinely. So here you can see I've done a search for Fast 5, and I get the search results for lots of the movies in the Fast and the Furious franchise. In fact, now that I've watched one, I'll probably go watch some of the other ones. I'm going to choose Fast 5 from the list, and what I get on my phone is an overview of the film. Down here are various services that I can choose that might have it available on the console. I'm going to choose the Zune video service. And what you're going to see is it's telling my Xbox, please play Fast 5. I didn't have to fetch a controller. I didn't have to try to type with the controller. If I had to connect, I could do that very naturally with voice. But if I wasn't in the same room, that wouldn't be as convenient as it would be to do with my phone. And then once the movie starts playing, the phone continues to be useful and interesting because the Xbox Companion on the phone knows what the console is doing. So as Fast 5 is playing here, the Xbox Companion knows that's what experience I'm in, so it makes it really fast and easy for me to jump to a relevant part of the experience on the phone. So while I'm sitting here waiting for the credits to come up, to the opening credits to play, I can look at the cast and crew of this movie. If I were interested in seeing what other films these people had done, I could touch them, browse around and have this whole experience. I could pan over and see other content, whether that's music or TV shows or movies that are related to this and so on. I can go back to my home screen here and keep looking around for other things. And the really interesting thing about the way the service is being implemented is that it's not just content that we, Microsoft, are building, but also content that other companies are providing as part of the experience. So as a last example, I can also search for Top Gear. Do we have Top Gear fans in the audience? Yes, of course we do. So here's Top Gear. I can jump to the Top Gear UK, of course, and pick a season, go into a show, I can buy it, rent it.